All right, y'all. How about a little bit of Bobby Womack, huh? A little bit of Bobby Womack. That's the way I feel about you. Hey, have y'all ever heard the stories of Bobby Womack? I mean, Bobby Womack was a mean, nasty player. Y'all heard how he did Sam Cooke? Y'all heard how he did Sam Cooke? Hold on. Let me lock it in. Y'all heard how he did Sam Cooke? Anybody? Somebody in the comments know the story. Somebody in the comments know the story. Here's the thing: Sam Cooke put everybody on, and Bobby Womack did him like that. Whew. I wish you didn't trust me so much. Ooh. Y'all, somebody in the comments put the story. I know somebody got the story. Somebody got the scoop. But listen, today's lesson we're gonna be in the key of D. We in the key of D, and listen, this song, it's one of them good jam songs, right? It's one of them good jam songs. But really, all we doing is simply going between the 1 and the 4. This is stuff you got to get good at. We simply going between the 1 and the 4. So we hearing this D, but the song really, or it starts rather on this G, right? It starts on the G, then it goes to the 1. So we start on the 4, then it goes to the 1, but then we hear it go back to the 4, and then we hear this beautiful run back up to the D. Yeah. So and here's some. So we got this G. We got this G. Then we go to the D. Then we go back to the G. We can come here to this D. So I want, and here's a song, since it's simply really around 2 chords. Now we're gonna get some more in there, but since it's really around 2 chords, we can find different ways to play this 1 chord. So what you gonna hear? You're gonna hear something sweet. So that's a D major 7. And what I'm doing, I'm barring. Excuse me. So I'm barring from the 10th fret down on the A string down. 10th fret. Then we go on the 9th fret. I got my G string. Ring finger on the D string. Pinky finger is splitting that, and on the B string of the 12th fret. And you hear that pinky hammer on. But really what you might be hearing is something that we can sub for that. So what is the 6 of G major? The 6 of G major is E minor. And so part of that sound you're hearing is this. I think I'm hearing that. I could also be hearing that major 7. Cause you see how that's pieced together? I mean, if I could get down here to this, that's an E minor. We got that, but so we going. That's that D. Then it. Alright, back again. G. D. That's a excuse me. G. F sharp minor 7. E minor 7. Let's do a little fiddle faddle on it. To that D. Once again. To the D. Back to the G. That's the F. Do a little fiddle faddle. Ooh, that sound good. I'm sorry. Do, do, do. Woo! Ain't that pretty? That's a G. Play that G. That's a D. So then we go. We can play this open D. Ooh, y'all on to something. What is y'all doing? Let's see. So if we're gonna go from the E. Or let's see. What can we do? What can we do? Instead of the D? Alright, so we playing G. So now let's start thinking substitutions for a moment, okay? So we know we can sub this E9, E minor 9 rather, excuse me, E minor 9. We know that we can sub that for the G. So what can we sub for the D? What is the 6 of D? It's this B. But let's play it up here, this B minor 7. Oh, so here we go. Keep it sweet. Let's see, what can we play instead of the F sharp? I think we play an A. We substitute. Hold on. Why A? We're using the same rules here. This F sharp minor 7 can be substituted with an A major. Ooh, y'all on to something now. Hold on. Oh, so that minor 9. Then we can play that B minor 7. That's my sub for my D major. And then we can play this. And now we can play my G. Back to my B. I'm sorry. Hold on. So. Let's see. Oh, just go back to the D. You can always keep it playing. So what we doing? We go. So that's the way feel about you. That's the way. D to the B minor. Do it again. Say that's the way I say, that's the way I feel about you. To the A. Oh, that's the way. That's a B minor, same thing as that. Let's play along with it, y'all. Let's play along with it a little bit, okay? Ooh, let's do it. Walk it down. Back to the G. To the D. To the G. Ooh, let's do it. Ooh. Let's do it. That's my chord. To the A. To that B minor. Ooh, back to the E. Ooh. How about a little lead? I told you it's in the key of D. So we play B minor licks. How about them down here? D major. Y'all hear building? Okay, so it's doing some. It's kind of doing. Right here. I hear the. That's before the B. And then I hear. Then let you know we building up to probably go back to the beginning. let's go through that again. I heard that. There you go. So 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 ooh, ain't that we learning this move, right? We learning this move, so we got the A sus. So we got B minor 7, F dominant 7, F sharp dominant 7 rather. Excuse me. Then B to E7 to an E minor to an A sus 4, and it's gonna hang there just for a moment, and then it's gonna go to the, then we're gonna start. Oh, that's beautiful. It's simple. And that's it, y'all. That's it. That's the way I feel about you. Ooh, ooh, that's some strong word. Ooh, that's the way I feel about you. Oh, that's the way I feel about you, baby. Oh, and your friend Annie Mae, she try to get in your ear every day. I ain't gonna sound like that. Ooh, oh, that's the way. That's the way. Oh, I should have been born back then. Ooh, that's the way I feel about you, baby. Ooh, ooh. When they come knocking at your door, something like that. Yeah, that's the. I better stop. I better stop. Y'all, it's too close to Valentine's Day. My love in there sleep. I'll go in there and wake up right now. Yes, I will. I will. Listen, thank you all, man. I hope this lesson has been a blessing to you. Hope you get what you need out of it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Let me know what do we need to add? What are you missing? Do I need to break it down a little bit slower? I'm gonna did I already say I was gonna put the key of D? We're gonna put the key of D major link to this. Y'all thank you, man. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. I love the engagement in the comments. Let me know how you feel about it. Let me know, has this lesson been helpful for you? Where we going next? What you need next? All right. Thank you so much. I love y'all. Bye bye now.